Hi everyone, this is Snehal and I've been living with type 1 diabetes since the last 18 years. And today I'll walk you through the project that we run as part of Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation, which is called as the Buddy Project. So living with diabetes, mental health is an aspect that is highly ignored, not just by people living with diabetes, but also healthcare providers, right? And as people living with diabetes, we know that we always face chronic, it's a chronic condition, and the burn down of this condition is something that we all have gone through multiple times. So during the lockdown, like since the lockdown started and we all are in a pandemic, uncertain situations, unpredictable conditions, we started receiving a lot of calls from our community members just about anxiety, stress. A lot of people were worried about their kids not being able to go to school, their education, people not being able to go to their jobs, and a lot of people even lost their jobs, right? This calls led the Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation, the team at Blue Circle Diabetes Foundation, to have a discussion. We brainstormed, and that's how the Blue Circle Buddy Project came into picture. This is India's first psychosocial helpline that specially caters to people living with diabetes and their families. It's a diabetes and mental health helpline. It's app based, it's online, it's a peer support helpline, and we have 13 dia buddies, as we like to call them. They speak a set of different languages. We have 9 different languages, including English, Dutch, and other regional languages. So all these volunteers, they have been trained to deal with questions regarding diabetes management as well as mental health. We have been trained by Center for Mental Health Law and Policy, as well as Chelaram Diabetes Institute here in India. We just like to say that this helpline is free. It is multilingual. People can use it and connect with any of the diabetes they wish to. It's just like talking to a friend. We are here to listen to you, and as I always like to say, that we are stronger together. So make use of this helpline, and just trying to reduce any sort of stress or anxiety that people are going through. So that's all I have to talk